Next question. Yalla, read. Factor the polynomial. Okay. So 196 can be what? 196 times what? 1. Or can be 13 times what? 13. Or it can be 49 times what? 4. I need the sum to be how much? The sum has to be 14. Which number will give you 14?
Nothing.
None. Therefore, the answer is what? Prime. If it's none, then it's prime. Is this clear? So your answer is what? A or B? B.
13 multiply 13. 196.
Okay. How much? 14, 14? Yes, okay, 14, 14. Good. I was just testing you. Ha ha ha. Next. No. What about it? After. Okay, next question number 24. Turkey, read. If an object, Turkey, number 24, read.
If an object is
Projected. What's mean projected?
Projected. Thrown.
Thrown. Thrown where? Upward. What's mean upward? Going up. If something goes up, then it has to
Goes down.
go down, right? What's the velocity? Velocity means speed, right?
Yes.
The speed, how much? 125 feet per second. Its height is what? And t is what? Time. يبقى h is a height, t is time. He's giving you a formula here. Do you see this formula? What is the formula? H equal negative 16t squared plus 129t. So he said after 2 seconds, where the object will be after 2 seconds. This is 1 second, this is 2 seconds. Where is the object will be? He wants to know the height. So you replace t by how much? 2. So you write down the equation and you replace t by 2. And then you solve. And how much you're going to get at the end? 194 feet. That is the position where the object will be after 2 seconds. Is this clear?
Yes.
Any question? Next question. 25. Read ya Khalid.
Factor by grouping x cubed plus 9x squared plus 4x plus 36.
Okay, so we'll take the first two together, right? The first two terms together. So we take x to the power of what? X to the power of 3 plus 9x to the power of what? 2 together, right? Plus 4x plus 36. So we did take this together. And then you ask yourself, what is common? What is common? Yeah, means GCF. What is?
First x.
X squared.
Yes.
And that's what left, right? And the second one?
4.
4. And that's what left. So do you see the blah, blah, blah? Do you see the blah, blah, blah? Same values, right? So take the blah, blah, blah as a common. So what's left? What's left?
X square plus 1.
Exactly. Any questions? That's it. Thanks. Yes? No? Put the chair here and sit here. هو رفيع مش هو جسمه رفيع يعني. هنشوف دلوقتي هيعمل باك على اللي ورا ولا لا. You can see now or no? You cannot see. I'm sorry. ممكن تيجي هنا. هات الكرسي تعال اقعد. خلاص. Let's move to the next question. Question number 26. Complete the factoring. Is this equation or expression? This one.
No expression.
Okay. So he's asking you what happened if you divide, if you take 2 as a common? What's left?
Y plus 15.
Y plus 15. That's it. Easy. What did you do? Just divide by 2. That's it. عشان انت جاي متأخر عقاب ليك مفيش ورقة. اقعد بقى منافع. خلاص finish. Move to the next one. Read the Turkey. Decide
whether
the expression
the expression is
positive
positive or negative
or
or zero.
0. So here he is giving you negative 9 to the power of 4. So you're going to say negative is outside, correct? This negative is outside. Then 9 repeated how many times? So the answer will be negative or positive? Positive. So your answer is negative. Negative, not positive. Why negative? Because negative 1 is outside. It has nothing to do with the 9. Clear? Clear? Not clear? Okay, next question. Turkey, read next question.
The product of two sensitive interrupters is one more than they some find
Okay, what does product mean? Multiply. What does sum mean? Plus. If I say page number 1, what's the next page?
2. 1 plus 1.
Right. So if you don't know the page, what are you going to say? If I let the first page is X, right? That's the first page, right? What about the second page?
X plus 1.
X plus 1. Is this clear? If I let the first X, the second will be X plus 1. Is this clear? So what's mean product? We said, so the product of 2 consecutive integers, so it's going to be X times what? X plus 1. He said is. What's mean as?
Equals
Equal. So we put equal.
1.
Okay? He said is, so equal. He said one more than their sum. Their sum means what? Means x plus x plus 1, because the sum of the two numbers. And he said more than means what? Plus 1. So now I'm going to multiply. X times x give you? X times 1? X equal. How many x's I have here? So 2x. 1 plus 1? 2. And then I have to move everything to the left side and make it equal to what? 0. So x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2. And then you combine like terms, and then you factor it. So the first x is going to be, the first one is going to be x minus 2. Second one, x plus 1 equal 0. That's the factoring. So first number, x equal what? 2. Second number equal what? Minus 1. So I'm going to take the positive, right? So take 2. So the first page is 2. Second page is going to be what? 3. Is this clear? Because you cannot say page, can you say page negative 1? No. The book starts with page 1. We don't have page 1. So that's why we cannot use this one. Because the book, because pages cannot start with negative number. Write it down so you can know. So we have here x minus 2, x plus 1. So your answer will be minus 1 here and 2 here. So we choose this one. So if the first one is 2, the second one will be what? 3. Is this clear? Clear? Yalla, next one. Turkey, read next one. يلا تركي. يا تركي.
The area of Balatron is given through the formula A.
So what's mean parallelogram? Huh? Parallelogram. This is called parallelogram. Okay. So what is the area for parallelogram? Base times height. What is the base here?
So x plus 1.
And what's the height?
X plus
X
1.
plus 1.
So all you have to do is just multiply the base times the height, and you get this. Remember how much he gave you the area? He said how much the area? He said 45. So you just make it equal to 45, and you solve for x, and then you factor, right? You factor here, right? So you get 2x squared plus 3x minus 44. Okay. What is the two number times each other give you 44, and their total is 3.
11 and 4.
11 and 4. And remember, we have 2 here, right? So we have 2x here, and you have x here, and 11 here, and negative 4 here. And do the happy face. If you do the happy face, you should get what? 3x. If you get 3x, this is correct. So after you finish and you get 2x plus 11 equal how much? 0, or x minus 4 equal what? 0. Then you find how much is x. X equal how much here? Negative over 2. That's negative number. Can we say x is negative 11 over 2?
No.
No, we can't. What about x equal 4?
Yes.
Yes, you can accept that. You can tell me why. Why don't I take the negative? Why I don't take the negative? Because this is x, huh? So x is 11 over 2 plus 1. I have to make this a same. So it's going to be 2 over 2, right? Plus negative 11 over 2. How much this will give you? Negative?
9.
Negative 9 over 2. Can the height be negative?
No.
No. That's why. So we have to ignore this. So you ignore the negative value. Is this clear? If you understand, raise your hand. So always distance is positive. Always distance. And the weight? Positive. And the speed? Positive. Is this clear? You cannot weight someone and say, oh, I negative 100. How can it be negative 100? Cannot. All right. So then you get x is equal to 4. Is this the height? No. You have to say x plus 1. So 4 plus 1 equal how much?
5.
So the height is how much? 5. What about the base? 2x plus 1, right? So 2 times 4 give you how much? 9. That's the base. Is this clear? Yalla, we have 3 more questions. Yalla, Turki, read.
So A career minus 9 equal 0. The solution set is 3 minus 3.
So you need to factor this, right? What type of factoring? Difference of what? Squares, right? How are you going to tell me where the square comes from? Because 3 is squared, right? Right? A square minus 3 squared. So just do the factoring. A 3 plus minus, and that's equal what? 0. So the first solution is what? What's the first solution? A equal what?
Negative 3 or A equal 3.
A equal negative 3 or A equal what? 3. So your solution set is what? Negative 3 with 3. Easy? Bilal?
اتفقت متى احط جمع واطلاق يعني قدام او يمين او يسار يعني هذا الشيء المختار.
You are talking about the plus and the minus?
Yes.
It doesn't matter. You can put the plus first or you put the plus second. It has to be plus minus or minus plus. Only for different of squares. You have to do the happy face. For the grouping, according to the values. I don't know. It's up to the values. Next question, Turkey. Read the Turkey. Read the Turkey. 31.
Using the formula A equals W, find the area of the section. The area
Find the area of rectangle. So what is the length, Turkey? 6x squared. What's the width, Turkey? 8x to the power 4. So he said the area of the rectangle is what? Length times width. So you have to multiply 6x squared times what? 8x to the power 4. Give you how much? That's the answer. Easy as easy.
Astronomer discovered an object in space that is 2100 light years from Earth. 1 light year is about 6 trillion miles. About how many miles is the object from Earth?
Do you understand this?
Yes.
Bilal, what does this mean?
Which question? This one? John's.
That's
Vera, read and understand. Huh? You don't understand? Hamad?
احط الرقمين بالساينتفك نوتيشن بعدين اضربهم مع بعض وبعدين
So, astronomers. What mean astronomers?
انا ما فرق.
Discovered an object in the space that is what? 2,100 light years from Earth. What mean object? Yes. So here is Earth and here is the object. How far it is from Earth? 2,100 light years. And each light year equal how many miles? 6 trillion miles. How many miles is the object from the Earth? So you have to multiply. Multiply what by what?
6 trillion by
6
2100.
trillion by 2100.
Right. 6 trillion times 2100. So 2100 is what? 21 times what?
10 square.
10 squared. And 6 is what? 6 times what? 10 to the power of what?
So
12. Is this clear?
yes.
Then what should I do? I need to multiply 6 times 21. How much 6 times 21? 126. 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of 12. How much? 14. Okay. So
دكتور كيف طلعنا من عدد 26؟
you multiply 21 times a 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2. So that's how I get 126. Okay, is this clear? So now, how many you have now? And I have to move this, how many spaces? 2 spaces. So this actually 10 to the power of what? And then 10 to the power of what? 2, right? So it's going to give you 10 to the power of what? No, not 12. 16. 10 to the power of 16. Is this clear?
بس ليش حركناه؟ مو لازم يكون ثابت.
Because it has to be between what and what? Is 126 between this and number, this number, and this number? So we have to make it, huh? So I have to move the decimal place. How many? 2. So now it's between 1 and a.
يعني ما يحتاج ثابت عشان نعرف.
What do we said? Negative 2 يعني? No, because you're moving these numbers to the left, huh? Then it has to be positive. Understand? So it's going to be 1.26 times 10 to the power of what? 16. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we are done with the review. Now you have the paper, right? You can do the paper, right? I'll put this on the blackboard so you can look at it, okay? But I just want to tell you something. This is how many questions here? I'm putting in the test 100 question. Means it grabs any question. So you have to do my MATLAB.
Keep me inside.
Data bank.
Ah, okay.
So nobody can cheat. You can, if you are sitting next to each other,
Okay.
you look at him, different question. Yeah, different. Even if it's the same question, but different numbers.
Yeah.
So you cannot cheat. Even if you go to the bathroom and you ask him, how can I do it? Then he have to explain to you. But here you have to bring a pen and pencil and explain to you in the bathroom. So it's going to take time. And then every question you have to explanation, then you have to go to the bathroom together. Understand? So to avoid this, too many people going to the bathroom, we make data bank. We grab different question, but it's similar. This time is multiplication, the other one is division. Clear?